You really need to believe it's gonna happen. This is crucial for these goals to be manifested. Hey guys, it's your girl Viv. I hope you guys are all safe and well. So I know that my face doesn't match my neck, okay? I'm not very good at makeup and I just bought this new foundation. So don't pay attention to it during this video, okay? I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips on how to script / journal / write down goals / manifest. I'm also gonna be sharing with you guys the goals that I wrote for myself in the year of 2018 for the year of 2019, and they were all achieved. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All right, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so scripting in terms of law of attraction and manifesting pretty much means you are writing out a script of your life. So what you want your life to look like. You're writing it down as if you already have it. So what this does is it makes you feel the energy of the things that you want. It also puts you on the right mindset. It's just a really good way to start out your day. I always suggest doing this in the morning. By writing down the goals in the morning, you're also just driven and motivated all day to get those goals accomplished. So my advice to you, if you're not used to writing your goals down, or if you notice that you don't really accomplish the goals that you do write down, I would say start with short-term goals. Start with goals that are pretty manageable for you, that you know they're a little bit of a struggle, but you're pretty sure you can do it. What that does is it creates self-confidence. It just shows you that you can do what you put your mind to. You can trust yourself. You're able to scale those goals. You're able to set higher goals for yourself. You're able to strengthen your mindset. All right, guys, so now we're going to go into my scripting journal. It was November 2018, so I had just moved to New York City. I was working at Pizza Hut and KFC, didn't have many friends, didn't really like my situation in general. I was feeling pretty poor in every aspect of my life. So yeah, I just decided to sit down and write my goals down. So these were supposed to be accomplished in 2019 and they all were accomplished in 2019. What's crucial here, like I said before, make sure you believe it can happen. Also write it down as if you're writing in your diary, like what you want is already yours and you already have it. So what that does is it's just convincing your mind even more that you do deserve it, that you are worthy of what you want. So this is really important. So what I wrote down here is I have $4,000 in my bank account. So now at the time, I think I had maybe like $150. And then I wrote down, I am healthy and happy. I have a beautiful room and sweet roommates. I have a family that loves me. I have a great fun job. I am selling my own clothes. And I have $4,000 in my bank account. Note here how I wrote down everything as if I already had it. So all of these came true within a year. So the next year, which was November 2019, holy crap, all these came true. And then also I surpassed all of these in abundance. So it's just pretty crazy to me how, sometimes you wish for something and then the universe gives you even more. You create even more abundance for yourself. So don't give up on yourself and don't sell yourself too short. Just make sure that whatever you're going for, you do believe in it. So I had no idea at the time. I was literally writing down my future. I was literally writing out, Viv, this is gonna be you, and I'm writing it down. This is what I want and it's happening. If I knew that, I would have written down completely other things. And it's crazy because things that I sit down and look at now that I don't have, that I, wish I had, I'm like, wow, well, I didn't even write it down. I'm sitting here crying about not having certain things, but I've never actually made it an effort to write it down as a goal and believe I could achieve it. It's honestly crazy that these all came true, and the situation I was in, it just wasn't good. I just remember not liking where I was at, wanting to go back to Portugal, just not believing in myself anymore. And I mean, this really saved me. Also, under all of these goals, I wrote down what I actually had and what I was grateful for, why I was grateful for it. So for example, it says, I'm grateful for my job at Pizza Hut and KFC. I love the friendships that I do have. I love my family. I'm grateful for the hard times I've been through to make me stronger, things like that. So that got me in the vibration of being grateful and just feeling good. And like attracts like, so if you're in that good vibration, you're gonna get more of good in your life. Also, I didn't even notice this, but on the next page, I put short-term goals. So my short-term goals at the time were cut down on juice, ice cream, dairy products, Wendy's, cookies, Cheez-Its, start drinking tea, cut down on social media, and buy vegan cookies. So at the time I wasn't vegan. I was vegetarian for 3 years prior to writing this, and then a month later I became vegan. So I mean, even the short-term goals are so powerful because also you look at this and you're like, hell yeah, I did this. Okay, if I did these, I can do all these other things. So even if it's like writing down, brush your teeth today, go to the gym today, clean your room today, it's little things that you feel good that you did it and you can check it off. It becomes a habit to start writing things down and it makes you feel good and you're gonna wanna do it more and more, which will make you more motivated throughout the day and put you on the right mindset to start accomplishing what you set out for yourself. All right, guys, so also I think this is worth noting. I bought this before going into the 2020 year. Who would have known it'd be this freaking crazy? I already accomplished some really cool goals that I thought would be cool to share with you guys. And so I said start my brand Ventasi, so that was accomplished. Visit my family in Portugal and meet Damien. Damien is my brother's baby. I met him at his first birthday, so that happened and I'm really happy that happened. I don't want to get emotional now, but writing it down is just crazy because at the time, I mean, I don't know, when you write it down, you believe it's gonna happen, but it's something that like, it just seems so far-fetched. Like, even though you believe it's gonna happen, it seems far-fetched. So when I'm reading these things, it definitely is like just awesome. I put get my wisdom teeth pulled. So that happened. You guys know that if you watched my video from a couple weeks ago, and then get website up and running for Ventasi. So as I said, this was like older in like October before we got into 2020. But yeah, so some of these goals were already accomplished. I have way more goals that I want to accomplish here on this page. I'm not going to share those because they're not accomplished, so they're still secret and they're mine. So scripting and journaling is only one of the many manifesting techniques there are for law of attraction. I do encourage you guys to look at different kind of techniques, try them out, get excited with it. I can't imagine what life would be if I didn't have goals, short term and long term, that I could just keep busy with. I think that's really important, and just looking back on who you used to be and how far you've come is just always so rewarding. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. I think it's important to share what you know and hopefully it can help other people. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!